Hello everyone, I'm at a Shell gas station here in Pearland, and look at what I'm about to film. What kind of dryers are these? If anyone knows, please I know they're not slimline because there's only 2 of them. Please let me know what kind these are, and I'll stop the video for now. Alright everybody, here we go. We're going to the car wash. It's that one that I showed you that has those possibly really rare Ryko dryers. And there's a car in there. The lady said to wait until the car is out to put the code in. Now the soaps smell different here. Here, I'll try putting it in now. 926648.
Please enter your... Thank you. Please go forward slowly into the wash.
Alright, here we go. We got the $14 car wash. These can't be slimline dryers because there's not a top one.
Spraying water right now?
Yeah, and then it's good. Brushes are gonna come on.
Then it's gonna put soap on them?
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
I know.
What's that?
That's the tri-foam.
Soap?
Yeah, it's soap.
Whoa.
Colorful soap.
Wow.
I know.
Looks funny.
I know.
It looks like a tornado.
I know.
Here it goes again.
It does, shakes the car. It does, yeah. Well, some do, some don't. It depends on the system.
What's this? More sub
I think this is a sealant.
sealant?
Yeah.
What does a sealant do?
It protects the car. It keeps it cleaner. This
Wow,
these
it
car
actually,
wash.
well, windshield actually does the cleaner.
Oh, I know. These kind of car washes, these Rykos are dominant in Phoenix. These are the dominant brand that we have.
Wow.
Because Phoenix, I think, has a Ryko plant, which is probably why. It's going to probably go one more time, I think. I'm not sure, though. I just came to this one because the dryers looked unusual.
Any of these?
Yeah, they're not slimline, because if they were, there would be a top one of those. And thank you for watching, and that's it.